pour material into the tank. Place empty bottle in indexing table, turn on the power button and adjust the desired flow rate and volume for the material. Turn on the indexing and dispensing cycle. The sensor will automatically detect the bottle presence and start dispensing the selected volume. If any bottle is missing, dispensing will not take place at that position. Measure the weight of dispensed material for quantity consistency. For more information, visit www.adofil.com.